Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits for November 2025. Already that time, and there are 4 weeks that are predominantly in November, and so I'm going to share those here. So the first of those weeks is November 3rd through I believe it's the 9th, and that's in just the start of the month. So I thought that I would use this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Chocolate. It just feels like it has that kind of fall vibe, all the brown tones, just feels very perfect for this time of year. So this is a deluxe kit on matte vinyl. So you can see this is the full box page, bottom washi, and then the colors, very fall for sure. Glittery boxes, functional things, full box checklist. This is an older style kit. So then we have 4 more full boxes here and some more functionals, glitter headers, little things, stuff like that. And then word headers and washi strips here. So older style kit, but it should be really fun to use. And I definitely think the colors are perfect for this season. The next of the weeks is November 11th, I guess. Nope, November 10th through the 16th. I can do this. I didn't grab my page that tells me what the dates are, so it's a little bit of a struggle. But for this week, I'm using this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Work From Home. Again, it is an anytime kit, but I feel like it has fall vibes, and it's going to be a really busy time of the year, so I think it's perfect to use. This is another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. So this is full boxes, bottom washi, glittery boxes. This is that same older style kit, so functional stuff, full box checklists. This has some deco and some functional things here. No additional boxes, so definitely not quite as intense a kit for using twice, but I think it still works out very well for the first time. And then the third week is going to be November 17th through the 23rd, I guess. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, the 23rd. I've got this. So this week I'm using a B&R Paper Crafts kit called Slovenia. Can you tell I'm just trying to get through my stash a little bit and make sure I actually use these things that I have. I'm not going to Slovenia this week, although that sounds delightful. But I thought that the full boxes really had like moody fall vibes, so I thought that it would be perfect for this time of year. This is another deluxe kit on matte vinyl, so full boxes. This is the bottom washi and date covers, glittery boxes, non-glittery boxes. This is a newer style kit. Functional things, icons, 4 more full boxes, more functional stuff, 4 more full boxes, and glitter headers. So I just think it's really pretty, and I'm excited to use this kit as well. And then the final week, which is November 25th through the end of the month, might be December 1st, something like that. But for that week, it is Thanksgiving, so I did want to use a Thanksgiving-ish kit. So this one is from Vintage Glam Studio. It's called Autumn Leaves, and it is 2 pages that I printed off, if I can get them unstuck. So it looks like this. So this is one of those kits that basically like builds itself for the planner spread. You can see in a few spots that I'm pretty sure my ink is dying in my printer, but I actually really like the vibes for fall, so I think it worked out pretty well. And I'm excited to use this kit that's very fall themed. I think it'll be perfect for Thanksgiving. We're actually going to be in fall weather this year, so even more perfect for that. So these are the 4 kits that I am planning to use for November in my planner. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kits you're planning to use in November, or what kits you're excited to see me use, other things you want to chat about down there. If you don't have anything that you want to say, but you would love to say hi, I would love to hear from you. Leave me some sort of chocolate emoji to say hi. I would love some more chocolate. And then follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads with these kits as well as all the other kits. I tag the shops on Instagram, include them in addition to a description in the alt text on Blue Sky. I also show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.